In order to improve our living quality, we increase the consumption of the wood material. We cut off more trees, which seriously affects our natural environment. Straw, pole, rod are the majority of agricultural residuals. We used to burn it in the farmland and hence caused high amounts of carbon dioxide and air pollution. It is a big challenge to use agriculture residuals to make the high-density fiberboard. It can reduce the forest cut-off and air pollution caused by burning. To establish a research team develops the technology to handle agriculture residuals, suitable production machines, and improving HDF functions. In order to reduce the pollution and energy required for production, a room temperature press was developed. There is no need to use boiler and water, not to yield any smoke, dust, or waste gas. The whole production is zero discharge. The whole production line is automatic and computer-controlled. The equipment cost is about 60% lower than competitors. In order to improve the HDF functions, a natural eco-based glue was developed. The glue has no formaldehyde, no smoke when burning, fire-resistant Class A1, water-resistant 0.4% as well, anti-insect and antiseptic. An eco-friendly glue compound. HDF board is capable to resist high impact, not break apart. No deformation. It is easy to sew and to nail. HDF board
can be used for flooring, door, wall, furniture, interior decoration, etc.
The agriculture residuals can be any plant fibers such as rye straw, wheat straw, corn pole, peanut pole, cotton rod, etc. AMI HDF Corporation is capable to provide the turnkey project of the whole HDF production system. AMI can also provide the glue compound to wood factories to substitute the resin to make the wood products have zero formaldehyde, fire-resistant, water-resistant, etc.